last time we went to Conover, we took Conover Road and the trails over there. So I wanted to change it up this time. We're going to run Adams Road, which eventually, as you can see, there's a highline system above us. Eventually this turns into a trail, which used to be an old railroad grade. And we'll follow that past Torch Lake in Conover. And then from there we'll decide what trails we want to take. So should be a fun time though. I like it over here. It's fun. There's a lot of miles in this system. I've seen some complaints that they're all road routes. That's really not true. I think there's like 36 miles of trail. Would we like to see more trail? Absolutely. And we're always working on that, but it is what it is. That said, a lot of these forest roads, I defy you to show me they're any different from most of the trails in most of these areas. So there's a case for why are the trails in Wisconsin so smooth? That's a good question. I could honestly get into that, but that's not for this video. That might be another day. But my comment to that is we're all looking at that too, and how we can create more challenging experiences up here in northern Wisconsin. So bear with us, we're working on it. So here we hop on to the trail. Don't go down that way, that's just somebody's driveway. This is the trail here. This will take you out to the old railroad grade. We had quite a bit of rain here. When was that? Saturday, I think. So dust is not too much of an issue right now, thankfully. It's been kind of a dusty year. You have those sometimes, you know. But anyway, I don't know. I enjoy the putting miles on up here. It is a lot of fun. It's different, you know, and that's something I will highlight. Is this area is not, you know, it's not s'more. It's not the wind rock. These trails are nowhere near like what most of their trails are. That said, what we do make up, or what we do lack in rugged trail, we do make up for in miles. I mean, by the time I'm done with this video today, I'll be well over 100 miles. So I'm at 40.2 according to that, which I know is off. So we haven't even really, maybe we've gone halfway. No, we haven't gone halfway. At any rate, so, you know, like I say, if you're looking for a challenge system, it's something we're looking at. But maybe consider the fact that you can do it 200 miles in a day to be its own unique challenge. Some people aren't interested in that, but I don't know, it's actually kind of fun. You know, taking a ride, sitting in this seat for 200, 250 miles, that's a long trek. Like I say, these aren't the toughest trails, but they're still, I mean, these are by no means asphalt tracks, so